I'm going to share with you what I eat in a day. Now, please do know that this is not what I eat every single day. Pretty much simple most days of mono meals of fruits. So it can vary, but I just wanted to give you some examples, some inspiration, and I hope you enjoy it. And also I wanted to just share that I did change a few times in my day, and that's what happens here in Thailand. I do change. One, because I'm either going to the beach, I'm either going in the pool, yeah, and also because I'm creating content, so I change outfits. It's a little bit rainy today. It's nice. It's monsoon season here in Thailand. People don't always like to come to Thailand when it's heavy rain, but it's not always heavy rain. It's glorious sometimes. There's that sweetie. Look at this one, rescue girl. I rescue dogs as well. I rehabilitate them, get them to health and rehome them. This is Lulu. Enjoy the video. One tip I can give you is to really prep everything first before you do any blending, juicing. So I've washed my apples and now we're going to chop them up. We're going to chop the pineapples. These aren't quite ready yet, so we'll be using them today. I was hoping to do 4 pineapples with 8 apples, but it looks like it's going to be the ratio 8 apples and 2 pineapples to juice, and that's what I'm going to have to start my first meal of the day. I really love apples and pineapples because they're really astringent at pulling out mucus, pulling out toxins. And if you're struggling to go to the toilet, these are great relievers, so definitely recommend. But amongst all that, the phytonutrients, the antioxidants, they help fight inflammation and reduce the risk of developing cancer, hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease. So many benefits. And yeah, it's just a wonderful combination of having apple and pineapple. So here we have it. We have the apples and the pineapples. So only 2 pineapple. I would like ideally more, at least another 2 to the 8 apple ratio. But I don't do measurements really. I just, yeah, I find half and half or more pineapple generally. But this is gonna be really hydrating, so I'm looking forward to juicing this. So here we go. Just literally pop it in, nice and easy. Let's put that there. Look at this goodness. So good. So what I like to do is now just sieve it. So I just strain it, sieve it, whatever, sieve it once, just because I'm not doing a cleanse. If I was doing a cleanse, I would want to strain this quite a few times, but for me, for just general day-to-day, I'm just going to do it one time. Also, I have some of this lemon chocolate cake left over. I'll put the recipe in the description box below, but look at this. Maybe you want me to do a video on it, how to make it. Let me know if you want that. Then I'm gonna let this defrost a little bit, cut it, and then I'm gonna eat that for later. So that was my first meal of the day, and I'm intermittent fasting at the moment. It seems like I'm eating after about 11 AM, between 11 and 12, sometimes 10, but I'm doing 8 to 6 eating method, 18 to 6, 16 to 8, intermittent fasting. That's what works for me. I love it. I just think my digestion is flawless doing it this way. Has so many benefits. I'm going to do an actual a detailed video of why it's so good, intermittent fasting, especially on any diet you're on. Hopefully it's a vegan, if not raw vegan diet. So I went to the gym this morning. My usual routine is I'm getting up, I meditate, I walk the dogs, I come back, I meditate, I read, I write, then I go to the gym, then I come back and I do some work, then I have breakfast. So I get a lot of my day basically done early in the morning. I'm always up about 5:30 a.m. So today I'm actually editing a video why vegans go back to eating animals. So that's going to be out either before or after this, I'm not too sure yet. And then yeah, that's pretty much just content creation today. I allocate certain days of what my theme is rather than just filming every single day or writing content every single day, editing every single day. Today's a bit of a mix. Normally I'll edit one day, it'll be editing, one day it'll be filming, one day it'll be content, writing content, and then building on the business. So every day is something to do with the business as my theme. And what I do to relax is pretty much I'm walking the dogs, anything to do with dogs. I rehabilitate sick dogs and I get them back to health, find them new homes. So I'm here in Thailand for the past 6 years. If you want me to share more of a detailed what I do in a day, what I eat in a day, then I'll definitely create something for you if that's what you would like to see. But yeah, I'll be having my next meal. I don't like to call it breakfast and lunch because I don't eat that way. I eat probably 2 meals a day. So my next meal is going to be a large salad, lots of dressing. Sometimes I'll eat in between, I'll have fruits. So when I say 2 meals, it's just generally 2 big meals, and then in between maybe fruits, mono meals. And then after that, I'm gonna have a nice little dessert because we've got some left. So yeah, that's what I'm eating, that's what I'm doing. Enjoy. So I'm gonna have my base of my salad. So it's lettuce, tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, onion, and then I actually made this sauce, this curry sauce, which I'll share the recipe in the description box, but I'm just going to be pouring this over it. I'm going to use my food processor to blend it all up. And there it is, all chopped. Delicioso. So here's my salad, and then I'm gonna have some of these veggie crisps. This is my second portion of this chocolate and lemon cheesecake. It is really freaking delicious. So that's what I had today, what I eat in a day. That's not all time those gourmet lemon cheesecakes. Pretty simple a lot of the time. I'm going to show you another video of what I eat in a day with pretty much mono meals and smoothie bowls. That's what I enjoy, but I mix it up. I have so much variety. Not variety in a meal, but variety over time. That's the key. This is about the enjoyment, the process, the transition. And if it helps you keep on a raw vegan diet, then do it. Eat these delicious foods because they're way better than meat, dairy, eggs. So I know you're going to love this lifestyle, this diet, if you're not on it already. But if you want support, if you want coaching on your journey, I have a membership group, and I also have a one-on-one 30-day program that you work very closely with me, and I will get you the results. I will get you what you want, what you deserve, which is to lose the weight for good, have the mental toughness, have the body, the physique you've always wanted. This is a path of pure bliss, transformation. It's very sacred. It's very expansive. It's a phenomenal transformation in 30 days. I know you'll love it. If you want more information on that, all that is in the information, all of that is in the description box below. If you've got any questions, let me know. If you want me to expand on any of the recipes, if you want me to do more what I eat in a day, give me some feedback, give me some advice, what you want to see. I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. Love you loads. Be, feel, and stay Rawlicious.